Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video we are going to see how to make tandoori mushrooms, which is super easy and quick to make and will taste just like restaurant style. So friends, let's get started with this delicious tandoori mushroom recipe. So first we need to marinate the mushrooms. For that, take a bowl and add half cup of plain curd or dahi. One tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Next goes around 2 tablespoons of ground flour or besan. This will help to bind the marination on the mushrooms when we marinate them. Next, I will be adding 2 tablespoons of my homemade tandoori masala. I have already uploaded the video how to make tandoori masala at home, and the link has been given in the description section below. Can check if you want. I'll be adding only half teaspoon of salt, as there is salt and other spices in the tandoori masala as well. Now give a good whisk so that everything combines well. So as you can see, adding besan or ground flour has made the marination batter thick and will coat well with the mushrooms. Now add the clean mushrooms in the batter and coat them well with the marination mixture. And now I'll be adding the juice of half a lemon and 1 tablespoon of refined oil. Give a final mix. And we need to marinate the mushrooms for at least half an hour. It's almost half an hour. Now since I am going to grill the mushrooms in the oven, I am taking this baking dish and have placed a butter paper on it and will grease it with some oil. I'm using these wooden skewers which are easily available online. Now gently pierce the mushrooms in the center with the skewer and place them in the greased baking tray. Similarly, I will arrange the rest of the mushrooms in the skewer. The mushrooms are ready to be grilled. Now if you don't have an oven, you can arrange the mushrooms in this way in the skewers and then grill them in a grill pan or tawa by adding just 1 teaspoon of butter or oil. For now, I am going to grill this in a preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes in the grill mode. So my tandoori mushrooms are ready. It took approx 15 minutes for them to grill properly from all the sides, and now I am going to arrange them in a serving platter. So friends, here goes my restaurant style delicious tandoori mushrooms on the serving platter. I will garnish with some finely chopped coriander leaves, a lemon slice and few onion rings to complete the look. I'll sprinkle some tandoori masala on top. Serve them hot with your favorite dip. I have served here with mayo chili dip. I hope you will try this recipe soon. Also share your feedbacks, and if you are new to my channel, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to Continental Desi Kitchen for more such yummy and interesting recipes. Also check out the links of my other recipes in the description section of this video. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.